Karachi, 14,000 people in the 18th century. Now one of the most populous cities in the world, around 16 millions. The city of lights, in the capital of Sindh and economic capital of Pakistan, but where half of the population live in slums. From Lahore, Karachi is an 18 hours journey by train, 2 hours by plane. They say in the West that Karachi is the most dangerous city in the world. As usual, I don't believe them, and I decide to see. I went there for the All Pakistan Music Conference, but I used the visit to see some monuments. Pakistan Music Conference promotes classical music and musicians in Pakistan. Unfortunately, classical music has been neglected since partition with India. But it's still alive, and it has been one of the best concerts I've seen in the country. I had to see Frere Hall, a hall and library dating from 1865 with colonial architecture, and also serving as an exhibition space on first floor. Attracted by the old books, I was happy to go and rummage through the archives. There is a book fair every Sunday where you can get cheap books, both new and used. I also visited the arts exhibition. Where you can find lots of new artists. As well as paintings and calligraphy from the famous Sadaqah, who painted the ceiling and who is considered as one of the best Pakistani painters of the past century. Surrounded by gardens, the hall is a magnificent building between Gothic revival and Victorian style. If you're a lover of the British colonial style, you will be served in Karachi. The City of Lights has a lot to offer in terms of culture and art, with several ethnic groups, cultures and religions. My visit was made difficult by the heat and police officers asking me to stop filming. I then visited the shrine of Abdullah Shah Ghazi, burial place visited by many people, day and night, Muslims but also Christians, Hindus, Sufi students from all over the country. They place garlands of flowers around the burial place, and prayers are being offered. I'm fascinated by the Sindhi tile work in the chamber. Some say that cyclones don't hit Karachi due to the presence of Shah Ghazi's spirit in the shrine. It is also a shelter for homeless, and it provides 2 daily meals for free for those in need. It's also time for me to make a few selfies with the ladies wondering about my presence here. You can't visit Karachi without going to the beach. Clifton Beach is obviously not ideal to swim or relax. It is the busiest beach there, where you can see a lot of local and international tourists, families, children, teenagers, kite flyers. Some enjoy horse or camel riding. I didn't dare to swim, but I took a nap, even if the sand was covered in garbage, and there is a lot of noise. But the view is fascinating. Friends and I hired a car for a few hours to visit the Hope Bay beach. The most popular one, around 1.5 hours from the city. There, the sea was clearer and the beach was clean. A good opportunity to swim, do some exercise, meet some people, and have a good time around the campfire. Karachi left me with fond memories. Street crime in Karachi is just what you can expect in a huge city. I've been warned to not walk alone in streets and keep my money and camera out of sight. But of course, I made the experience of walking alone and didn't face any problem, as the people of Karachi are very hospitable. Sometimes, the bride of the cities is called a world city, a place a little bit like the planet. There is everything, all kinds of people and all kinds of vibrations. The sea air makes the temperature pleasant, and the sea adds, as everywhere, a special magic.
Mon was one.